What is going on, guys? Today's video we have the Tonor TC30 condenser microphone. Now this is a plug and play style cardio condenser microphone that you can get on Amazon at the throw link in the description if you decide to purchase. It retails for about $30. It's very inexpensive, very budget friendly for streamers, gamers, anything else like that. It comes with a built-in shock mount pop filter, comes with a tripod, everything you need to be able to set up and start and just get your stream on. All this for $30 sounds too good to be true. Let's go test out everything out in this video and we'll show you whether or not you should buy it or not. So in terms of build quality, you have all made of polycarbonate, so it's all made of plastic. The actual microphone section itself is a pretty lengthy device here. You have metal on the top, as you can see there. It's a two-tone, so black and gray mainly, and then the logo is like a golden yellowish type of thing. You have your shock mount here, which is made of rubber. This does a really good job at actually absorbing any shocks within your table or anything else like that. You have a branded Tonor pop filter as well, which is really nice to see that. So everything fits very snug and very well. It's a little bit bigger of a design than most microphones out there, but it looks very, very clean, especially if you were to be putting this on a microphone boom arm, which I'll show you that right now. All right, now we're recording off of our iPhone 13 Pro. Once again, this is recording off of the iPhone 13 Pro, and you just use an OTG adapter. You just get one on Amazon for like $5. You can use an Android version or an iOS. I'm using the iOS version, and it's mad cheap, very inexpensive, and it's actually live. Like, you can actually see me on it, and it works for real. This is what the sound quality is on the Tonor TC30 microphone, and this is exactly how it sounds raw. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I will do a microphone comparison test in the future, but strictly right now we're doing just the Tonor TC30 microphone sound test. So if it sounds good, then I'm all for it. I like the little studio style microphone that it looks like. It's really good. I'm hoping it sounds really crisp and clear. And if you were to be speaking way louder or way into it, we're gonna see if it speaks or just generally clips a lot worse or doesn't. Obviously it looks really nice. I showed you how to set it up. You can put it on this boom arm here. It has a boom arm mountable, or you can use it on the desktop mode, where you can basically put it on that tripod thing. Pretty cool nonetheless, but I personally love microphone boom arms, so that's why I'm gonna have it like that. If you guys want to check out the arm that I have here, link is in the description, as well as the microphone here. So we're gonna listen to it the first time right now. All right, so listening to it the first time, I noticed that it does sound really, really good. Obviously when clipping, when it gets peaking up way too high, it doesn't sound that good, which you might be able to fix it, but out of the box, plug and play, it doesn't sound that good. So whenever you do peak, if you do a lot of yelling or something, if you're one of those loud people, probably don't want to get this. If you're doing a podcast, something more chill, or just exactly what I'm doing right now, then it sounds really, really good. And you don't even have to be that close to it. You could put it pretty far away and you can still probably hear me, and it sounds really, really good. You can probably tweak it in the audio setting and make it sound a little bit louder, but that's how that sounds. One thing I wish it has is a gain knob. That's the only thing I haven't seen on a microphone in a while. This does not have a gain knob. It doesn't have mic monitoring, so it's missing out on two features. But once again, it's about a $20 to $30 microphone. It's very, very budget friendly. You're getting basically fully audio sound quality. No special sound card, no special, the big player ones that other type of microphones have. I can't really show it on. So that's what that sounds like, strictly on sound. It does have this pop filter, which I can show you without it. So this is a pop filter test. So Peter Piper picker pepper pelons melons, you know the deal. Peter Piper picker pepper pelons melons, you know the deal. So that's what it sounds like with the pop filter off. Now let's apply it on, and it easily applies like this. There we go. Peter Piper picker pepper pelons melons, you know the deal. Peter Piper picker pepper pelons melons, you know the deal. So I notice in my gain, it does do a really good job on cutting out those P's, S's, and T's with this pop filter. So the pop filter is really nice. It's very discreet. It fits the microphone perfectly. It's not, you don't have to add another attachment on it. It's built in. I love that a lot of microphones are starting to do that now, and it's really appreciative, and it looks really sleek on this, and it has the branding on the front, which also looks pretty good because Tonor is a really good brand. So now we're going to jump into the background audio test. So we're going to check out the background noise cancellation. We're going to go straight to the second setting on the air purifier. So now we're on the second setting of the air purifier. Let me know if you could hear it. I also do have a fan behind me, so we'll do an even more extreme test right now, starting with my future microphone, starting with this one. So this one's going to have a new competition to compete against. Now we're going to try the third setting. Most good microphones can't do a good job on this third setting, such as a $100, $200 Blue Yeti or a HyperX can't do a really good job on the third setting. So that's what that sounds like. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it off, and we're going to go ahead and turn on our fan now. So for our fan, we're going to put it at the 6th speed, and then we're going to put it at the 12th speed. So right now it's on the 6th speed, and you can hear it right now. So that's what it sounds like. Now we're gonna go all the way to 12. So this is 12, so it's a little bit more powerful. You can actually hear it way clear. So see if you actually have more noise band. So this is good for summer if you were to be in summer. We're gonna see how it sounds exactly without any audio reduction or anything like that. This is full raw audio, by the way. So that's exactly what that sounds like. Once again, 30 bucks. You can get this for 30 bucks. Pretty good sound quality. You obviously you're paying plug and play. You can use this on your iPad, your iPhone, anything else like that. Plug and play. Really easy. It comes with a cable. All you need is an adapter of some sort to be able to plug it into an iPhone or iPad, or a Android tablet or Android phone, like an OTG. But 30 bucks sounds really good, mainly for the crisp audio quality. It sounds really good. I'm very surprised on that. Very warm and rich tone type of voice here. So I love that. Without further ado, if you guys want to pick this up, link is in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And we out.